Hey, madam.
Sir,
Yes.
do you have an idea why INEC is rejecting documents certified by this evidence?
Now you can see we are continuing with the calling of witnesses in support of our case. We have already tendered our documents as the petitioners. So this is the process of calling oral evidence in support of the documents we've already tendered. Yesterday we called a number of witnesses. Today we've called another set of witnesses. And as we progress, as the days unfold, we'll continue to call witnesses as the case may be. Thank you very much.
One statement the respondents made was that PDP and Labour Party seems to be smuggling strange documents. Can you?
Something like that. It's something like that at all. We can't smuggle documents in. And all the documents we have tendered, we will speak to them. We have done so yesterday, today already. So there's something like smuggling. That was the wrong word.
And they will speak for themselves.